Stormtrooper versus Penguin. And Marsha is our judge today. So we're going to have to see who goes the furthest off the track. Ready, set, go! Who won that? Stormtrooper goes faster. Second round and then the fight was the best. Marsha, you rock with that bathing suit. Who won that? It's Penguin. We have our draw lord. We have a draw lord. Penguin is the champion. Don't forget to subscribe and click other videos if you want to. This is our second episode. Bye.